How to analyze exhibits for case study interviews. Imagine you're sitting at the table, looking at a complex chart or table, and wondering where to start. That's when knowing how to analyze exhibits becomes your secret weapon. Exhibits are visual tools that pack a lot of data into a small space. They can be charts, graphs, tables, or diagrams that hold clues to solving the case. Your goal is to extract useful insights quickly and clearly. First, examine the exhibit carefully. Identify what type of visual it is, say a bar chart or a line graph. Look at the axes, labels, and units of measurement. Notice the time frame or categories involved. Summarize what the exhibit shows in your own words to set the context. Next, focus on key findings. Are there trends like increasing or decreasing sales? Do certain categories outperform others? Spot anomalies or sudden changes that stand out. Use specific data points to back up your observations. For example, if a sales line jumps sharply in a certain quarter, note the percentage increase. Then relate these insights to the case question. Does the data support your initial hypothesis, or does it challenge it? For instance, if a market share chart shows a decline when a new competitor enters, that suggests a threat. Use the exhibit to refine your thinking or generate new ideas. When you communicate your analysis, keep it simple and logical. Start by describing what the exhibit measures. State the most important insight first. Follow up with supporting data points. Explain what this means for the case. For example, if sales are dropping in a key region, this might suggest a need for a new marketing strategy. Next, suggest what to do next. Should you gather more data or test a new hypothesis? When doing calculations based on the exhibit, organize your math clearly. Double-check your work to avoid mistakes. Spend about 3 to 5 minutes on each exhibit to stay efficient. The goal is to balance thorough analysis with time management. Finally, bring everything together by summarizing what the exhibit reveals. How does it change your understanding of the case? What actions or recommendations follow from this data? Showing your ability to interpret data and connect it to business decisions is key. For internship interviews, mastering exhibit analysis proves you can think critically and interpret data effectively. Practice with different types of visuals like bar charts, line graphs, and waterfall charts. Follow a consistent approach to build confidence. Remember, analyzing exhibits is about understanding the story behind the numbers, not just reading them. Focus on what the data tells you about the case problem and how it guides your next steps. This skill demonstrates your problem-solving ability and your readiness to handle real business challenges. Keep practicing, stay organized, and approach each exhibit with curiosity and clarity. That's how you turn data visuals into powerful insights during your case study interviews.